Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw funds from Prizepicks. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so in order to do this, you need to open up the Prizepicks app and then log in. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner. Then from there, click on select request withdrawal. Now we want to go ahead and choose your withdrawal method. So you can select from previously used and improved methods like bank account, PayPal, Venmo, or debit card. But make note, withdrawals can only be made to payments methods you've used to deposit money into. And then from here, simply enter your withdrawal amount. So input the amount you wish to withdraw. Minimum withdrawal is about $10. Then you need to verify your identity. So you receive a one-time password via email. Then enter that one-time password to confirm your withdrawal request. Then await confirmation. So Prizepicks will review your request typically within 6 to 12 hours. You'll receive an email notification once the withdrawal is processed.